Hi everyone, so today I'll be trying out this new kit that Diamond Press has brought to HSN ahead of the September 17th craft show. It's the Pretty Peacock die kit is what it says, so let's open this guy up. Diamond Press did send this item free of charge for my review, and of course all opinions are my own, and any links I have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items through those links. So thank you for using those if you would like. Again, with YouTube, it might be embedded in the video, but for sure they'll be written out in the description box if you're not sure where the video link is. Let me open this up and I'll be right back. Sometimes those are a little easier to pop open than other times. Look at this! Love it, love it. I'm seeing plumes, I'm seeing like a whole tail, you know, little feathers. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's check this out. Wow. Okay, I need to see the inspo sheet on this. So it's all dies. You have your standard issue items. Again, you have your sticky sheets, you have your marquee cutting folder and the applicator for the sticky sheets along with some information on how to use them. Generally, you're just going to do your die cutting. You're going to put the back of your die cut facing the plastic carrier, because that's where the sticky sheets are, you can kind of see. And then you just put this down, use your applicator, rub on the back of that, and then you're going to have the little sticky dots on your die cut. This is for your marquee. If you do not have a marquee, you can run these thin metal dies through any machine that cuts thin metal dies. Let's look at this inspo. Little legs. Those are funny. Let's see. Oh my goodness, Diamond Press. Check this out, you guys. Just different styles. That's what I was looking at, because I'm like, for me, I can see like the whole tail kind of thing, the peacock, or this one pairing with these guys, so I kind of imagine that already. And look at that. So just tons of different ways to make a beautiful peacock. So the same body you're going to put down here with like the different layers on the wing, but you might have that long flowing tail instead of the kind of fan that they make there. That is so cool. And then you have your beautiful just peacock feather or your plume there, and then it has a centerpiece that just to add to the decoration on that one. Oh, look at this one. I didn't even notice this guy. So that guy with this piece here, and then he also has that decorative piece that you would have popped into, like this guy, right? It's the same piece, just goes right in there. That is so cool. And then, I mean, these are so pretty. Just the different pieces, a cute little like motif, Look at, oh my gosh. Okay, so hi, you have thanks, and you have beautiful. I can't even, I love things like this, and what I love is that you can make so many different designs from this one kit. It's not just the one peacock or the one type of thing. Even the feathers, right? Oh my gosh, so I'm just going to grab some paper. We're going to get right to it. Oh my goodness, I'm tongue-tied already. I'll be right back. I just grabbed things actually for the peacock itself. I think I'm going to do this one. Because it has different layers, and obviously this one you're just going to pop that one piece there. You have the layers. This is going to be very similar to this guy, so other than adding the tail piece, I'm going to do this. And I just started grabbing colors that are really fun, and I was like, oh, maybe something metallic. Look at that. So I was looking for a teal, and I saw this, and I'm like, that's going to work for me. So I think I'm going to use this brightest one for the back, the set in the background. So we're going to run that through there. And then bright green, I think, for the middle section. Okay. And then this deep purple for the smaller one. And then for the body, I was still looking for teal or blue or something like that. And so I found this piece, and I think that's very pretty. So we'll use this for the body. And then I'll probably accent the little wings with the same colors we used already. Oh, maybe a little gold. Let me see. What do we have? Okay, so I can do this. And how about some gold and then the green again or something? So, okay. So this is the accent piece for the wing, I think. Yep, and then this is the wing portion. So you would do the same thing for the second peacock, the one with the tail, just kind of gracefully going across there. So I'll run this through some gold, and I'll run this one through the bright green again too. And we'll go from there. We do need the legs, but I'll wait for that just a moment, okay? I'll be right back. These pieces that come out, I mean, if you wanted to run them through different colors, if you like paper piecing, you can definitely run it through and then paper piece into that. So pretty. Okay, so as I'm cutting these pieces out, it looks to me like they're the same shape. Let me see. Because it could be that you don't even have to run it through different colors. Yeah, so, okay. I ran it through that green. It's literally the same size and shape. So like this one came from the green paper, but you can definitely paper piece it in there. And then let's say you wanted to put the blue over here, or maybe the purple or whatever color, because that's what I'm using. over here. That's really cool. That's very smart. This one's a lot smaller, so I don't think these would do the same thing, but as far as the little curve part, but these two you can definitely mix and match that way. So I thought that was a nice touch. Okay, let's see here. So let me grab the little body. It's right here. Oh, it's beautiful. And then we have our pieces here. Let me clean up just a little bit because I do have quite a bit of paperwork going on here, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so let's get to gluing. I'm just going to put this together. So basically this piece, and I mean you can put dimensionals in there, that'd be really fun. I'm just putting a little glue here and there. I'm not getting too wild with it. I'm going to take any excess off. And it looks like it just layers right over at the base. Okay, and while I'm doing that, I'll also do the next one, which is this guy. Again, really cute to glue it down straight here, but then put some dimensionals back here, so it kind of has a lot of dimension. Yeah, I feel like whenever I say dimensionals, I say the word dimensions several times. Just like when something's cute to me, I'm cute, 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 and I keep say it over and over. Okay, so that one goes there. And while you're at it, if you want to go ahead and put this guy here, I'm going to look at the image and see exactly where he's supposed to be positioned, kind of towards the bottom, you know, like in here. How it's posed, right? So I'll go ahead and just put a little glue towards this top part. I'm kind of holding everything at one time. If you want the back of her eye to be filled in with a certain color, you can definitely take that same dye and run it through, you know, whatever color you think needs to go back in there. In the image they don't have anything in there, so that's that. But I will say the foot, the thing that has his little legs, also cuts the little eyeball area, so just like a little dot here. So I think, you know, I ran this through the gold and I was like, maybe I should also do his little feet in gold. So I don't know. I'm just kind of looking at what they have there as far as the design and how they stylize this, and I'm just copying that. Okay, tape. And then this guy too. And pat off a little bit of that excess glue. And this guy's kind of like in here. Oh yeah, it kind of goes off the edge there. I paired it right to the edge, but they have it kind of a little bit in whatever it's you like. I'll bring it down a little bit like that. Okay, I'm going to hold all this for now, and I'll be right back. So I was waiting for that to kind of set up and dry a little bit. I went ahead and grabbed an A2 size card base. I did make this myself, so if you're making your own card base, 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. Gonna have my little guy on here like this, and then I cut just a matte layer of this dark blue paper. Thought that would be really nice. If you want to, you know, emboss that, run it through an embossing folder, add a little more texture. Lovely. What I'm going to do is just glue this down. And I think for his little feet and his eye, I'm just going to run it through some black paper. I was looking for some shimmery black paper, something shiny. Can't find any right now, so I'm just going to go with black paper. But if you really want that to pop, be more noticeable, some shimmery paper would be nice. So I just have a little piece of black paper here. And then our sentiment. So what do we have? So we have this, oh my gosh, so pretty. And I mean, he can be right in the center, little legs, however. We have beautiful thanks. Let's do thanks. Okay, so I'll run thanks through probably something gold or something, maybe even bring back that teal, something shiny. I think I have some shiny purple. Ooh, I think I have purple, so possibly through that. And then his little legs, his little bird legs through this black. Okay, I'll be right back. Hey guys, so let's work a little bit more with this guy. I did run his little head through just like a white kind of gray color. Thought why not? So I'm gonna pop that in here. So just in the little head area, I just ran the smallest piece of paper through there, and just to get this piece. Yeah, a little something. I can get a little bit closer for you guys, but yeah, I just popped that in there, and then I'm gonna put a little glue right here. So this guy has a little circle, and then the legs, right? So this little dot, take that, just pop it right there. Oh yeah, that really makes it cute. And then little legs. And I'm just going to put glue all on here because I don't really know where I want them. And so cute. Oh my gosh. Let me see. Okay, I was trying to see how long they should be because I think I made them a little short. So there we go. Aw. And you don't have to put the legs, I mean, if you don't want to. Okay, I'm gonna hold that and I'll be right back. So I'm done with that. I think I'm gonna put him, let's see where our thanks looks like positioned on here. I might run the thanks through a couple times through some white paper just to give it some oomph. Look how beautiful that is. I mean, because it can go, you know, here, go down here. I think I'm gonna put that there, and I think I'll put this here. But to do that, I'm gonna go ahead and glue this guy down. I'm gonna run the thanks through a couple more times out of some white paper, okay? And with this, you know, we really want to flatten that out, so I'm gonna get glue all over the very tips of this and the little these areas here. And I'll put some weight on top to hold that down, and then I'll also run through, like I said, to get the thanks. And since I did use metallic paper, I don't want it to go all over the place, so I'm just going to do a little of this, and then I'm going to pat some of that off. And his little legs in here. I think I'll put him right down here. And it's not perfectly centered. I'm kind of keeping him over to the left. Okay, I'll be right back. Oh, I just realized I'm super close. Hopefully I wasn't out of frame for a lot of the other things I was doing. Okay, we have our thanks, and I'm just going to glue these guys together, so, you know, however you want to do that. But basically one on top of the other, with the purple one being at the very top, because we want the purple showing. So with this one, you know, I'm going to start in one area, make sure those are lined up really nicely. And then just move along, move along, move along. Give them a good squish. Okay, so I'll do the same thing with the purple one ending at the top here. So just moving along, a little at a time. Really lining those up. And I will be right back. And so I have that all layered up. And then the last thing is I'll just add this to my card. And again, put some weight on that just to hold it down, since I'll be placing it over the tail area. And just like right here. Oopsie, sorry about that. Knocked over my glue. I'm trying to hold that straight to see how straight this is. Okay, I'll be right back. Guys, and there is our beautiful card. Just, I can't even say enough. I am going to finish off with a few of these enamel dots, the neutral. I think black ones would be very cute. And so I'm going to go with those. And again, with mine, I like to do groups of 3s, so I'll probably just sprinkle them around the thanks itself. So like here, and then a couple more. And I'll have images for you guys. I'll have the links in the description box. And I will see you all at the next one. I'll probably put some more over here. Bye now.